Hello and welcome to Centre Circle. I'm Spencer Darlington. Now, in a two-part series, Centre Circle featured former reggae boy and coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore in a riveting interview. This week, we have compiled some of the interesting parts which deal with the issues that affected Whitmore during his time as coach of the national team. Throughout his career as a player and now coach, Theodore Tappa Whitmore says he has to be proving his doubters wrong. Whitmore says because he's not from a big-name school, he's seen in a different light compared to others.
Remember, you ain't go high school, you ain't have 10 subjects, and so you look back on that again too. It's like people try to use them things against you. Because you ain't got one prominent high school. You understand? So up to today, you have to fight to show people, say yes.
I was going to come to that because I did an interview recently with Carvel Stewart. And he said that even today, Theodore Whitmore has not been given the respect that is due.
Well, again, bro, I'm not running respect. I'm not running respect. Everything what I do it from my heart. Everything what I do, 110%. The saying say a king never get on a 9 throne in our own country. So I don't run on respect. I just continue to do what I have to do. Because again, there are certain things where you can't erase, No care what you want to do or what you want to say. You can't erase. So that is out there for everybody to see.
So it not bother you sometimes when it's some of the things that you hear and things that said about you?
No, man.
Even though you're coach at the national team?
No, man.
We don't have a strategy. We don't play with speed. We play very slow. Theodore Whitmore needs to go. I honestly don't think Tappa know what he's doing.
And as a touch national team, that's one of the things why, because even you see them own Western Jamaica, president them, and them fight you out, Because them come and them say all kind of things. Remember, the last thing them say is that Missy, president, with TV and take picture. My business with president and TV and want to come buy a foreign man. Me in the national team and everything them try to come say, boy, the coach. Them and the players them catch up and I say to the ball of them, say, hey brother, look on the bigger picture. Me the take side with players. If me are in a team, I must can control the team and tell you them, say, hey, listen man, loud that. Look on the bigger picture. You understand? Look on the bigger picture. Then say, me this, me that. Are the only thing them can use because them can program me. So that them have to use. And the man who do it, the man who take the picture in the national program up to today day, the man who take the picture and send it out in the national program today day. So again, people always say Tappa no like talk, Tappa no like talk. I no talk, me no like talk. But you see certain thing, me no take on. Me no take on. Me no believe in that gossip or anything. Anything me have to say, me tell the president, me tell the general secretary. And me, number of time, if you ask the then general secretary, which is Dalton, with him can tell you how much time he sit down with meeting with him and tell him what I tell him. And if you ask him today, day, he say, what Tappa when I say, come to pass.
So there was an agenda to get rid of you then?
It looks so. It looks so. That's how it looked to me.
Is it that they couldn't control you?
Boy, I don't know, them you have to ask that, But again, I don't wash my dirty linen in the public. See? So I don't have to go outside there to try to prove nothing to nobody. Anything when I tell them I go come in front of you, I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it in our meeting. I'm going to say it. But again, I'm not the man where they can program or they can no. I try to have a good relationship with everybody. But at the end of the day, not go on like a feel say me a fool or you can style me.
Like Tappa Whitmore like the nigga. At the tackle, yeah, she say. Sweet at the victory, the back, yeah, she say. Take where your woman and no party.
I asked you about the sticks that you'd have gotten as a coach and coaching the national team. And even your last campaign, a lot of things were said and people were said, Tappa out. Were you given the tools?
No.
What is that you wanted that you didn't get?
A lot of stuff, man. And as I said before, everything was put in writing. Everything put in writing. As I said before, I go back to my email. Remember one report right now. I can pull up a report. And again, if me have something against the JFF, all them things I put out, man, I give you and give people. I give media houses, man, and make them see for themselves, man. I no need to do that. People call me about them things, man. You call me, man. And I tell you, say, hey, and I go get it from, man. Because you hear about it. And I say go ask the JFF, ask the technical people them at the JFF, them can give. Me nah go give. And me no wish to give it out. And guess what? Even all them things, man, a whole heap of bad name me get, man. But again, me tell you, my broad. You understand? And again, me can hold up my head anywhere me go. I mean, I see none of them and try to hide for them or look down upon them. But me know them can't look me in my eye. Because many, since me leave a whole heap of them, me see. Enough of them can't look upon me.
There was a questionable game though in the last thing. That was against Panama. This was when an influx of British-based players came in. And that game against Panama, almost all of them started.
So you go back to the Mexico game first then?
Exactly. When the Mexico game you started, I would say the players that you wanted to play, and to see from that game the dip in performance the following game was something that people could not understand.
You see, again, remember, you know, we have a squad. We have built a squad few much years. Remember when all of the foolishness started, you know? It started when negotiation breakdown with the federation. That's when them say, we don't want them can go foreign, go get all of the players them, and Blake can captain Jamaica as long as Blake can captain Jamaica team again. And some of them man them wouldn't say man. They mail them because man not behave like how them behave. You understand me I say? Them can come up front. Them just stay behind and gossip and so. None of them can come up in front and say, hey, this is the situation. None. And from this, we get hurt. Because we come now, we're carrying one influx of players who can represent the country. We never have the time for that either. So you tell me now what the sense here? You carry Mikel Antonio, them, this, that, and you put them on the bench for. Why sense of them coming here then?
You picked the team that day?
Yeah, man.
Was it to prove a point?
Most definitely. Me tell you something. Again, if you go beat me, you go beat me for something I do. Nobody can pick no team give me. Nobody can pick no team give me. And nobody can tell me who to pick. Me can. So if you go beat me for that. Me can't tell. Nobody can pick no team give me. And nobody can tell me who to pick. But again, I prove a point to you. If the same Japan watch them and them, them go out, they go play with their heart. Them go out, they go play with their heart. Them not pull out or nothing. And I think that's one of the problems. Because I know one of the program man them are join the boys club.
More girl say, more than the nigga. Like Tappa Whitmore than the nigga. At the tackle that she say.
Imagine leading a group only to be betrayed by one of your own. Well, that's what Whitmore feels happened to him during his final days as coach of the Reggae Boys.
And undermine, they have their objective. Them have their objective. But again, when you sit down and you say to him, say, hey, I don't want Brian, you know. Brian have to do that, man. Brian have to do that because they know why they want Brian.
You regret not walking away?
No. No. As I said to you, you know, Brian, I leave with my head high. I leave with my head high. Sometimes I sit down and it might look away. So Jamaica team are playing and none of them never send a ticket come give me it, you know. I'm not call nobody beg them, none. If you're not on TV, I'm not watch it.
Because you wouldn't pay your money to watch this team.
I don't say I wouldn't pay my money for watching. But that are the disrespect I try to tell you. Why I wouldn't buy a ticket go there? Some if I call Minister Green to a ticket for go watch Jamaica team. But again, what the difference? Past player happen to past player happen to past coach. So why if you say Theodore Whitmore go be different? If me not go, me not go.
And you're a legend, you know?
Yeah, me know.
2 World Cup goals.
I'm more pleasant. Buy some ticket the other day for the 2 Trinidad game them. Mount Pleasant buy some ticket and give staff and players to go watch the game. Me no make them think there be a problem to me because I guess so. Me not go there and go embarrass me. So here, if you not on TV, so me now Tappa I take up my phone because Minister Green. Minister Green begging the 2 tickets to go and see Jamaica against US.
But Tappa asked earlier about respect, and even though you don't want to do it, but you're a legend, man. You went to World Cup, you scored 2 goals at World, you won a game for Jamaica.
Brian.
You don't think you deserve better treatment, man?
Brian, listen to me now, man. Listen to me, I say to you, say. Me say past player too, when we then say a legend in the business, same way too. Me say coaches will come through national program. So why you feel say Tappa different? Who is Tappa? Tell me now, who is Tappa?
A legend.
Legend. I saw you come on.
But in all though, you would still go back and coach the national team though?
When?
Well, I don't know. Maybe a change of administration and...
Well, to be honest with you, I don't consider that right now. Right now, I focus on Mount Pleasant.
And speaking of Mount Pleasant now, so you know what Mount Pleasant, you won a tiger, reach the final on another occasion. Does that give you joy?
I mean, every success brings a joy, man. Every success, man, is a joy, man, for me. You know, and I'm comfortable. I don't have no stress. I don't have no pressure. Just a work.
And I'm sure you're improving as well.
Exactly. And then, the thing about it, when you work with people who want to go so, you know, that, you know, with technical staff at Mount Pleasant, I tell a man all the while, you know, we don't have no head coach and no assistant coach and no this, man. It's a team we have. We have a team of people who work as a team. So if we say I through the door the way I go, I through the door where I go. If we buck up on a stumble, I feel responsibility that. I know Tappa, Fergie, Lamar, Bower, or Peters or nobody. It's a team of people that work. And we are work together to achieve one goal. And you have too much ego about some place, man. And that's why we can't do well, man. Because not everybody glad for you. And everybody has to sit down beside you. Then glad for you. And that's our problem. Too much ego.
So this is the most professional setup you have worked with as a coach then?
I mean, man.
We don't want to go into details of nothing, but just to say, and just to think of, you know, you lost a friend. same accident, Shorty Malcolm. And sometimes, you know, you think of it and good youth. When you reflect more time on Shorty, does that affect you?
I mean, man, you were sometime and you got some place go play some game. And it's like a them thing the people try to say to bring you down. Boy, Tappa, you kill off Shorty, boy, Tappa, you for dead. All of them things I go through and face, man. But again, as me I said to you, say, you have people who around you we can motivate you, you have people around you that can keep you strong. You have people see me who you can talk to. A little issue go on, you know you can reach out to a man there. You know you can reach out, talk to. You still have people in your corner, man. Still have people in your corner, man. Whole heap, man.
And that's nice to know.
Yeah, man.
We take a break, but when we return, you'll hear from the new marketing manager at the JFF.